Now at noon, opening statements are underway in the trial of a man accused of killing a child during a road rage incident in Orange County. Thanks for joining us for the KTLA 5 News at noon. I'm Glenn Walker.
And I'm Lou Parker. 6-year-old Aiden Leos was shot during a road rage incident on the 55 freeway in 2021.
KTLA 5's Orange County Bureau Chief Chip Yost is live now in Santa Ana with the latest on the trial. Chip?
Yeah, hey there, Glenn and Lou. You may remember this case. There were signs all over the freeways. Who killed Aiden? Who shot Aiden? Well, now we know, and there's no dispute between the defense and prosecutors on this question. They both say it is this man. This is Marcus Ariz, who is now on trial for the murder of 6-year-old Aiden Leos. That video from court taken this morning during opening statements in his trial. He's charged with second-degree murder, shooting into an occupied vehicle, and also some other enhancements. It was May 21st, 2021. Little Aiden was on his way to kindergarten on the 55 freeway going north near the 22 when his mother got into a road rage-like incident with another driver, actually two people in another car. It was Marcus Ariz was driving to work at that time with his girlfriend, Winnie Lee. They were going north. Aiden's mother believes she got cut off. She flicked them off as she passed them. A move that the prosecutor today said she regrets beyond comprehension. What happened next, police say, or investigators said, is that Marcus Ariz pulled out a gun, fired in to Aiden's mother's car. The bullet went through the trunk, went through the back seat, right into the car seat where little Aiden was sitting. He died about 30 minutes after that, and then the hunt was on for who did it. It took 16 days before these arrests. Take a look at these booking photos. You may remember this. 16 days after this shooting, Marcus Ariz and his girlfriend, Winnie Lee, were arrested in the case. Prosecutors said today during opening statements that after his arrest, Ariz admitted to everything, said he did pull out the gun, he did fire the shot, said he actually didn't know for a week that he was involved in this case. Doesn't follow the news closely. It was about a week or so after the shooting that they realized, or he said he realized, that he fired the gun that killed the little boy. And after that, prosecutors say he took some evasive actions. They hid the car that police were looking for. They started driving another car. He shaved his beard. Also, prosecutors say this is not a case of road rage, as we've been talking about. They believe this is a clear case
nothing but
of murder.
This is not a road rage case. This is an expression by Mr. Ariz of cold indifference. This is an expression by Mr. Ariz of his callous and total disregard for human life, for Aiden's life.
During his opening statement, Ariz's attorney acknowledged that Ariz did it, but argued that this is not a murder case, that he did not have intent, did not have malice of thought when he pulled that gun out and shot, was not intentionally trying to kill someone. They said he did it with no thought. Here is more from his attorney.
The man who confessed had full hindsight as to what had happened, and he had shame. The man who pulled the trigger did not. He was totally unaware. He had no hindsight and no clue as to the consequence of his actions in the moment, and he had no malice and he had no intent.
So again, this trial just starting. If he is convicted on what he's charged with right now, Ariz could face 40 years to life in prison. His ex-girlfriend facing lesser charges in this case, but she has yet to go to trial. For now, reporting live here in Santa Ana, I'm Chip Yost, KTLA 5 News.